so we're just going to do a random flower. I have Stream, Vineyard, Gumball, some Snow Cap in a needle nose bottle, 91% rubbing alcohol in here, and I always keep some pitch black. Use an airbrush in most of my videos. I do have this Conair hair dryer. There was an attachment, I removed it. This is just a random flower, so we'll see how it turns out. So this is an 8x10 piece of photo paper. I used the non-glossy side. I like to get a paper towel, fold it and ready just to catch the drips on the end. I usually don't paint this big. I usually like to do 5x7s in my tutorial. I do have some canned air. I use this first to move it out because it moves it out a lot faster. So I got my rubbing alcohol. You just put some rubbing alcohol, so it about maybe a finger and a half touch the ink. I'm going to fast forward this next part up a little. Okay, so I just did 5. I left like little spaces in between. I like to hit it with the hair dryer. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do the drops again. Now I'm going to switch to my airbrush. I do have this at 40 psi. Now I'm going to go in between each petal. And this part I'll speed up as well. To take rubbing alcohol and put a little bit on my fingers, not over top your artwork. Now I just kind of splash it, dry it off. We're going to do one more round of petals. Then what I do is I take the Q-tip, dip it in here, and I just go around the outside of the circle, or the inside of the circle, sorry, the inside.